Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Nafa Rumbia, and now I want to explain to you about my journal. The title is Impact of Digital Literacy on College Students, English Proficiency, the Mediating Role of Learning Motivation, and the Moderating Effect of Technological Self-Efficacy. Okay, for the graph illustrates the distribution of F value in an ANOVA test, comparing the null hypothesis H1 and the alternative hypothesis H0. The solid red curve represents the F distribution when H0 is true, while the blue dashed curve shows the distribution when H1 is true. The vertical green line at F equals 108. Sorry, I replay again. The vertical green line at F equals 308 marks the critical value, which separates the acceptance and rejection regions of H0. Overall, this figure demonstrates how the probabilities of type 1 alpha and type 1 alpha and type 2 beta errors are distributed and highlights the critical value role in determining status. Oh my god, sorry. Overall, this figure demonstrates how the probabilities of type 1 alpha and type 2 beta errors are distributed and highlights the critical values role in determining statistical decisions. The A or alpha region shaded under the red curve to the right of the critical F indicates the probability of rejecting H0 when it is actually true, known as a type 1 error. A smaller alpha value or a smaller alpha value or e.g. 0.005 reduce the likelihood of such an error but makes it more difficult to detect true difference. Meanwhile, the beta area under the blue dashed curve to the left of the critical F represents the probability of failing to reject H0. Okay, uh, when the alternative hypothesis is true or a type 2 error, type 2 errors commonly occur when sample size are small or when the true effect is weak. The graph emphasizes that alpha and beta are interdependent and must be balanced in statistical decision making. The area under the blue curve to the right of the critical F corresponds to the power of the test, each minus beta. No, sorry, I repeat again. To the power of the test, 1 minus beta, which measures the ability to correctly reject a false null hypothesis. The position of the critical F value 308 is crucial, as higher critical value reduce alpha but increase beta, affecting the rejection region's strictness. Therefore, the visualization provide the visualization provide insight into the trade-off between minimizing type 1 and the type 2 errors and illustrate how the F distribution and critical value determine and test sensitivity and accuracy. Thank you.